Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. Today I have a special guest. I have Quinn from Celebrations who's going to show us how to do a cool paper folding technique called iris folding, where you take something like this and you end up with something like this. So let's get started with Quinn.
So iris folding is a paper craft technique. And it involves the folding of paper or fabric.
Okay.
And strips of paper or fabric.
So pretty.
And then what it is when it forms, when it meets into the middle, it's supposed to resemble the iris of a camera lens.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why it got the name iris folding. So this is just a standard card. This came from Ben Franklin. First thing you want to do is you want to take your template. You just want to trace the border.
Okay.
Of the card. So I already did that here. And then what you just want to do is you just want to cut out this whole entire inside.
Oh, like a frame.
So like a frame. You want to put your template on the outside. Like I said, you can use any pattern of paper you want. So I just chose 4 different selections. And then, like I said, the width doesn't matter as long as it can cover
the space.
So you just want to have enough paper just to cover that section. And then you're just going to put a piece of tape.
Oh, okay.
Just like that. Just a small little piece of tape on this edge. And then you can always cut off excess, like if it's going to
stick out.
Like stick out or anything, you can just cut off all the little pieces because you just need enough to cover that section. And then you just put another piece of little tape right on the end here. Just like that.
Okay.
And then you just keep going around and around. When you get to like some of these here, see how these are kind of interacting with these?
Yeah.
So what I would do is I would do these first. I would do all the border, all the outside first. And then kind of work your way around. So you're almost going like in a circle.
When you're layering it,
so when you're layering,
you
can still see it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would start with I would grab the next piece of paper I want to work with. And then I just tape it down. So basically you want to just work your way around and around the borders. And then you just keep going around until you get to the middle. And then afterwards you can peel off the template and then you're left with the reveal.
The reveal of these designs.
Of the reveal
like
of the papers. So So that's just the first 2 that I did, just to show you what it looks like.
Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you had fun learning how to do iris folding. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at The Joy of Crafting and also on Facebook at Joy of Crafting, and you can also find us on Pinterest and YouTube. And don't forget, we're just everyday crafters having fun learning lots of new craft techniques. So until the next time, happy crafting! I guess. Thank you. I mean, that was
It's going to be a distraction. Just got to ignore it.